Hello students, welcome back. So this is our next video, and in this video we summarize the lesson 5th Mother's Day, and some value points given here. Some important points are included in this video. I hope you will get some things from that, and it is a summarize. It is a summary of the lesson 5th Mother's Day. So the points are given here. The two neighbors, Mrs. Annie Pearson and Mrs. Fitzgerald, discuss Annie's problem. So we came to know there are two ladies, and who are these? These are Mrs. Pearson and Fitzgerald. एंड यस यू स्पेशली यहाँ पे क्या कहा गया है? स्पेशली यस यू वी केम टू नो दैट स्पेशली अ फैमिली इज described here, and that is Mrs. Annie Pearson's family. A Pearson family is there. So Mrs. Fitzgerald is the neighbor of them. Yes, you and Mrs. Fitzgerald is the neighbor of this family. And yes, you they are neighbor. And when Mrs. Fitzgerald came to Mrs. Annie Pearson told her problem to Mrs. Fitzgerald. And yes, you, what was her problem? It was also told in this. Yes, you, the problem was that the family members of Annie Pearson, they didn't care of her. Even her husband, her son, her daughter, all, yes, you doing his own activities. They all are busy in their own works, but they didn't care for Mrs. Annie Pearson. So this was the problem. They all are giving instructions. They all are giving her orders to do the things, and she didn't get the rest for a minute because she was busy for them. She was doing work for them all the day. So this was the problem of Mrs. Annie Pearson. So Mrs. Fitzgerald knew her problems, and she suggests something. What she suggests? Yes, you. Mrs. Fitzgerald suggested Annie to be the boss in her house and not to meet everyone's demand. So Mrs. Fitzgerald told her the solution of the problem. And what was the solution? That you are the boss of the house, and be the boss of the house. Don't be the servant of the house. You are taking orders from them. Why are you taking orders from them? You have to give orders to them. They are not care for you. They are not giving respect to you. But you have to be strict, and you have to give orders to them, not take orders from them. She suggests. Who suggests? Mrs. Fitzgerald suggests to them. Okay. So Annie agrees that her children should treat her properly. So Annie agrees that her children should treat properly. And what Mrs. Annie Pearson wants? She wants that my all family member should treat me properly. She wants the things. Mrs. Fitzgerald points out that the children and husband should not be allowed to treat her as a servant. She also has the right to enjoy herself. So Mrs. Fitzgerald told to Mrs. Pearson that the children and husband should not be allowed to treat her as a servant. Your children, your husband, they all are treating with you as a husband. So you as a servant, sorry, not a husband, as a servant. So you have to be strict. You have your own life. You have to also have the right to enjoy your life. And they are not allowed. Who are not allowed? Children and husband are not allowed to treat with you as a servant. So they have to be serious about yourself also. So Mrs. Fitzgerald suggests that they should temporarily exchange their personalities by using a magic spell she had learned in the East. Then Mrs. Fitzgerald told Mrs. Pearson that we should change our personality. We should exchange our personalities temporarily. Because Mrs. Pearson was not able to do the things with them, because they were her children, and her husband was also there. So she was not going against them. So that's why she denied, and then Mrs. Fitzgerald told her that we will change our personalities, and yes, you my personalities will be your personality and your personality will be my personalities. Mean Mrs. Fitzgerald will be Mrs. Pearson, and Mrs. Pearson will be Fitzgerald by personality. And Mrs. Fitzgerald used a magic spell and they exchanged their personalities. Now Mrs. Fitzgerald became Mrs. Pearson and Mrs. Pearson became Fitzgerald. And what happened next? So a transformation takes place and the personality of Mrs. Fitzgerald shifts into the body of Mrs. Annie Pearson and vice versa. Mean to say Mrs. Pearson became Fitzgerald and Fitzgerald became Mrs. Pearson. So they both mean Pearson and Fitzgerald changed their personality. So next one is Mrs. Fitzgerald now in the body of Annie stays at Annie's house. So Mrs. Fitzgerald, yes, you who changed the personalities. So now she became Mrs. Annie. Yes, you because the personality has changed. Mrs. Pearson now became Mrs. Fitzgerald through her personalities. So she stays at home and house and sends her in Mrs. Fitzgerald's body to Mrs. Fitzgerald's house. So when Doris, daughter of Annie, a pretty girl, aged 20 years, enters the house, she observes her mother playing cards and smoking, which horrifies her. When Doris, her daughter, Annie's daughter, George's daughter, and Cyril's sister, came to house, and she was 20 years old. When she came to house, her mother was playing cards and was smoking. And to see this, when her mother was playing cards and smoking, she was horrified. वो डर गई. Yes, you. Her mother refuses to make tea for her. And her mother, yes, you. And Doris asked for tea and Doris asked for yellow silk dress. But she refused for all the things. So her mother refused to make tea for her and iron her yellow silk dress. Doris is surprised at her mother's behavior. And Doris was surprised to see her mother's behavior. So after some time, Cyril, Mrs. Annie's Pearson's son, gets some treatment when he inquires about his clothes being put out as he has to go again in the evening. And after that, first who came? Doris came. After who came? After that, Cyril came. And Cyril, who is Cyril? Cyril is the son of Mrs. Pearson. So who was asking for the dresses, who was asking for the tea, but nothing was there. She denied to him also. Annie continues drinking. Now Annie was starting drinking stock, yes you, and mean wine, and are. Annie continues drinking, and both her daughter and son are shocked. So Mrs. Annie Pearson was drinking, and to see this, her daughter Doris and her son Cyril were shocked. They presumed that something is certainly wrong with their mother, and they presumed that something wrong happened with her mother. So Annie tells them that they are so engrossed in their own activities, and Annie was telling to them, "You don't have time for me," that they hardly care for her because you are not caring for me. And she also informs them of her intention of not doing any household work on Saturday and Sunday. And she, Mrs. Pearson, told them she is not going to do any work on 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. She will keep off. She will keep off for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. You are working. You are working outside in a company, in a firm for 8 hours. But I am working 24 into 7 hours. So I am also going to do work for 8 hours only, like you. And yes, I will be here Saturday and Sunday. I will go for picnic also. So Mr. George Pearson, Annie's husband, comes and finds his daughter crying. When George Pearson, and the third time George Pearson came to his house, came to her house, and when he came, what did he find? He finds that her daughter, his daughter, and the daughter name is Doris, was crying. He also gets shocked And he was also shocked. Why was he shocked? He was shocked when he saw his wife drinking, and he was shocked to see this. His wife was drinking. Yes, George is enlightened by Annie, and it was told to George that you has as a laughing stock in social circle when you are going to club. So the people of the club were calling you Ompy Pompey Pearson. So to know this, George Yeshu got angry. When Cyril objects to his mother about behaving badly with his father, he is criticized by his mother. So when Cyril objects, why are you behaving, treating my father badly? So then he also rebuked him. Now the real Mrs. Pearson in the body of Mrs. Fitzgerald returns. Now Mrs. Fitzgerald came there, and George appeared and complains about what was happening in his house to Mrs. Fitzgerald. So George told Mrs. Fitzgerald about his problem, about his house problem, about his wife's problem. He told to Mrs. Fitzgerald. So Mrs. Fitzgerald asked George and Doris to leave her and Annie alone for some time. So Mrs. Fitzgerald asked George and Doris to leave the house, and I left me alone with Mrs. Pearson. You go outside, and when you will come back, everything will be fine there. There will be no problem. So when alone, so Mrs. Fitzgerald at present Annie, yes, you chant some magic words, and again their personalities get back in their bodies. So now Mrs. Fitzgerald exchanged their personalities. Now real Pearson became Pearson and Fitzgerald became Fitzgerald. Now they took their original personalities. After this treatment, Annie's family start giving her more respect and attention. They also pay attention to her likes and dislikes. So now all family members, her husband, her son, and daughter, all are giving respect to Mrs. Pearson. They were giving respect to her, and they pay the attentions of her likes and dislikes also. Now the family has changed. Now they giving attention. Now they giving love and care to Mrs. Pearson. So this was the lesson, and it was called Mother's Day. Thank you. Have a nice day.